I feel the magic in my veins. It's like I'm sipping a potion only you can give to me. It burns me higher than a flame, and I can't help but ignite it, so light it. Cause when you get close to me, I don't know what to think. It's making it hard to speak right now to you, now to you. My body's feeling kinda weak. Maybe I'm going crazy. No, it's not make-believe. It's all because I'm mad, mad, mad about you. I'm mad, mad, mad about you. All because I'm mad, mad, mad about you. I'm mad, 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 mad about you. You got me in a trance I can't break through. I know it sounds dangerous,